Now we will talk about the human activities. Human activities are divided into two types: economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities are those activities through which we earn our livelihood. That is known as economic activities. That means these activities we do to earn some money, and that is known as economic activities. What are non-economic activities? Non-economic activities are such activities which we do without expecting any money out of that. That is known as non-economic activities. In economic activities has been divided into three parts. That is business, profession and employment. And non-economic activities are divided into three parts, that is personal, social and religious. Now business, as I already made you understand, where we do the exchange or sale of goods and services, that is known as business. Profession, where we provide services to the people and in lieu of that we earn fees. Next is employment. Employment means providing doing jobs in the business or companies or in the on any organizations and earn salary or wages. That is known as these are the different types of economic activities that we do. These activities we do to earn money. We do not do it in charity or free of cost. That is why it is known as economic activities. Next, non-economic activities. These are the activities that we perform without expecting any money. Personal work. Whenever we do any personal work, we cannot expect any money from anyone else. So next is social work. Whatever service, whatever activities we do for our society's improvement or in our society. Like we are helping our neighbors at certain conditions or situations where we help our neighbors. So there we do not expect any money and do not earn money. We do it free of cost. That is known as non-economic activities. Now religious work, we go to the temple, churches, mosques. These are the places where we go. We do certain activities and we do it free of cost. So these are known as non-economic activities. Difference between economic and non-economic activities. First of all, we see the point of difference. There are 5 points of differences, and basing on these points we will show the difference between economic and non-economic activities. Now this first point is motive. What is the motive behind economic activities and non-economic activities? These activities are undertaken with an economic motive of earning profit or creation of wealth. Now these activities that we do to earn money or creation of wealth. But non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with the social and psychological motive. Now here we do social work and psychological, like helping others in their problem. So this is non-economic activities because we do not expect any money out of that. Next is expectation. As I said, in economic activities, whatever activities we do, we expect some income out of that, whereas in non-economic activities, we do not expect any income. Next is purpose. Purpose of economic activities is to creation of wealth, whereas purpose of non-economic activities is psychological satisfaction, that is mental satisfaction. Next is outcome. Outcome of the economic activities is to produce goods and services, whereas outcome of non-economic activities is mental satisfactions. And example of fifth point is examples where we see that economic activities, example of economic activities is business, profession, employment, and non-economic activities is family oriented activities. That means the activities which we do in our family, then religious institutions, social services, and patriotic activities. So these are the things that we do in non-economic activities.